Hi, this is Kiana from Milano Collection, and these are our original wig grips. These are ideal for skin tops and wefted topped wigs. These are amazing because I don't have to worry about any slipping or my wig falling off when wearing them. They're also great to avoid any headaches that clips and combs may cause, and it also avoids any hair breakage. Our original wig grip comes in black, brown, and tan. It also has the diamond stitching on it to prevent from rolling and an adjustable strap. I do have a bigger head, so this does fit me perfect, but for my girls who have a smaller head, it does give you the option to cut it, and when you cut it, it does not fray. Before you put on your wig grip, you do want to make sure that you have it on right. So I like to just make sure that the label is on the right side, facing outward before I put it on my head, and then I put my hair in a low ponytail or a low bun, whatever is more comfortable for you, before I secure my wig grip. You do want to make sure that the wig grip is faced outward on the right hand side and it is not upside down, or else it's not going to grab your wig properly. We are the original makers of the wig grip, and I love mine so much because it eliminates any clips or combs for me, so I don't have to worry about any tension on my head. I also love it because it eliminates any slipping or falling, so this is definitely a must-have for me.